Maharaji, what is the identity of a complete saint?
And what are the traits of a guru? Guru should be complete, should be well acquainted with the holy scriptures. Respected Garib Das Ji, giving the identity of a complete saint, has said that सतगुरु के लक्षण कहूं, मधुर बैन विनोद, चार वेद शत शास्त्र, वो कहे 18 बोध. Amongst all the traits of a true guru, this is the most important trait, that he will be the ultimate saint, complete saint, who will be acquainted with all the holy books. Then, Satpurush Jin Janya, Satguru Tiska Naam. The one who has known God, his name is Satguru. It is an order of God Kabir that the one who will be a complete guru will complete the process of initiation in 3 stages. And these fake saints gave initiation only once and washed their hands of it. They do not have anything with them. It is written in Holy Kabir Sagar that the process of giving initiation is completed in 3 stages. Firstly, the first mantra is to be given to you with a drinkable item with water converted into nectar. It is written in Kabir Sagar. And pious souls, in the second time, after seeing one's dedication and devotion, one is given the Satnam. Then one's dedication and earnings of Satnam is measured using a thermometer. After that, Sarnam will be given. Then only it will work, else it won't work. So this entire process is completed in 3 stages. In Gita chapter 17 verse 23, it is said, Om Tat Sat Iti Nirdesha Brahmanah Trividaha Smritaha. Brahmane means Sachdanand Ghan Brahm, that is Paramakshar Brahm, Uttam Purush tu Anyah. To attain him, to go to eternal supreme abode, to reside in such a khand, and to become free from the cycle of birth and death. Which is the mantra? It is said in Gita chapter 17 verse 23 that Om Tat Sat Iti Nirdesha Brahmanah Trividaha Smritaha. That Sachidanand Ghan Brahma, Brahmana means Sachidanand Ghan Brahma. To attain him, to attain Paramakshar Brahm, to attain primordial supreme God, there is direction of recitation of these 3 mantras, nothing else. Apart from these, any other mantras, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Sita Ram, Radhe Sham, or any other mantra that we chant will not lead to salvation. So for that, which mantra do we have to chant? These are Om Tat Sat. Om belongs to Akshar Purush and Tat belongs to Akshar Purush. Tat is indicative while Om is as it is. And Sat is also indicative. This Sat is also indicative. It belongs to Supreme God. These Tat and Sat are both indicative, and complete God Kabir Dev, Paramakshar Brahma, has himself come and disclosed them. So hum shabad hum jag mein laaye, sar shabad hum gupt chupaye. It is said that Soham word is not present in any of your holy scriptures. The pieces of writing that you will write with 52 letters, this mantra is not found in it. The Soham mantra is not in it. And I brought the Soham word to this world. I have kept the Sar Shabd a secret. Nama छिपा ओम तारी पीछे सो हम भेद विचारी सार शब्द पाया जब दलोई आवा गवन बहुर ना होई.